Now there's a third way that involves even more of the body. So if you're willing, because also we need exercise if we're cooped up. So here are some simple exercises that you can try that will keep your body a little more flexible and less tense. So the first thing is, again, to stand. So if you stand, your feet should be, this is the most stable position. Feet right below your shoulders, so you have a good base of support. You don't want to topple over. You want to be stable. So the first thing you do is to stabilize yourself simply by, in ballet it's called a plie. You bend your knees and you come up. You keep all this relaxed and you just control what you can control in life, which right now is your legs. So you really concentrate on just what muscles move. Probably haven't used them in a while. So start waking up your legs, and you get, the lower you are, the more stable you are close to the earth. Okay, so you stable this part. Once you're stable, you can start stretching your upper part, because maybe you've been sitting, maybe you've been scrunched up, so begin to open up your breathing. And making circles. Big breath, big breath. You can lean back and even open your heart. Big breath, big circles. Till you're breathing slow and steady. Feel your own rhythm, your own breath. In and out. In and out. Till your body feels nice and strong. And then the next part is you've got a strong, flexible body. Now we want to create a safe space. So we're worried about viruses and germs and being touched and food and money and jobs and family, and we want to kind of, not just inside here, but we want to create a place where we feel kind of safe. So it's called a safety bubble or a safe space. And truly, so when you breathe out, we all live in, so this is as far as I can reach, that's as far as I can reach, this is my personal bubble. I live in this space here, that's mine. And we all need privacy, we all need our space. So when you can find this much room, just feel and take up your space. And you can actually take some time, it's a good way to stretch, it's like a bubble. Just feel how far you go in all directions. And while you're doing that, it's also a place to just get the kinks out of your body, because this is your bubble. And at this point, you have a boundary and maybe nobody's going to come in. So you can twist and turn, you can get rid of emotions, you can get rid of frustration in this safe place, imaginary walls. So that's the next. Take advantage and just see how you need to twist and turn and wiggle. Okay, safe space. 3 is you live with other people. And if you go outside, there's other people. So how do you have your safe boundary? Well, you can pretend like there's a door. You can invite people in or you can push them away. You have some control over this boundary. So if people are coming near you, you can say, slow down, please. Or you can say, hey, wait a second. Or so you can control somewhat what comes in, what comes out. So we try that. Once you know how much room you take up, then it's like your little house. You decide who's in and who's out. And you can literally push away, or people. Just say, I need a little time, or something. But you can decide who's in, who's out, and when. So those are the 3 things. Stabilize yourself, begin to stabilize and make safe the space around you. And then 3, sort of control the border and use your body.